Aw, sweetheart. Hi, Lil. Hey, y'all, I'm Renee. And hey, y'all, I'm Renee, and welcome to Tater Town. I'm doing a quick video. I have a video already, if you haven't seen it, on how to, what hen saddles are, and do you need them, or should you have them? And if you look at Lil, Bryson, stop flogging him. If you have a chicken that looks like this, where their feathers are broken on their saddle area, they probably have some feathers missing up here, and you have a rooster, or even if you have just hens, because hens can peck on each other. But if you have a rooster, it's almost a necessity to have a hen saddle. And you don't have to get these. These are down under hen saddles. I like these because they have snaps on them. Other ones just have elastic bands, and I find it somewhat difficult to work with the elastic bands. Like I say in my other video, I always feel like I'm going to hurt their wings with the elastic bands. But I just want to show you today how I put them on the hens in case you do get some and you want to know how to put them on. It's a lot easier once you've been doing it and you get some practice in. It's also a lot easier when you have a hen that is easy to handle, like Lil. Hi, Lil. So we're going to use her as the example. Now, what I like to do is, Bryson, stop it. I will put her in between my legs, and you can do this yourself. Sometimes you might need some help when you're first doing it, just to get used to it. The snap side goes up, and these will go under her wings. This is why, I know, sweetheart, you're doing so good. You're doing so good. And you just want to make sure, that these don't get, they're going to get twisted, but you just want to try and make sure that they don't get too twisted around her wing area so that she doesn't get hurt or they don't cut off her circulation. You also want to make sure they're not too tight and cutting off circulation. So there's that. And she's a small bird, so I'm going to put it on the second one here. If you need it smaller, you can cross it over, or if they're a larger bird, you can do the first snap. So I'm just going to do this second snap here. Hey, Hannah, hang on, buddy. And then I'm going to gently lift her other wing, make sure I get as much of the feathers out of the way. And I'm going to put it on the second one there too. And just make sure that it's on her body. Now, the last thing I'm going to do, because she has some damage on her wing area here, is this company sends you, where'd it go? Here you go. These are wing protectors. So I am going to put this on here, and she looks like a little Spartan warrior. And then this snaps down on top of it. And this gives her protection from the damaging effects of the roosters mounting her, both on her wings and on her saddle area. And again, if this is the first time you've put them on, or the first time, like, they've already molted, so this is, we're getting into springtime, they are gonna take a few minutes to get adjusted to wearing it, so she may walk around funny. But it only lasts a few minutes. And again, take a look at the video on why you would use hen saddles and how to use them appropriately. This is just showing you how I put them on. And if you have any questions, let me know. And thank you. And Lil thanks you too for hanging out with us on Tater Town.
And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can see more videos that will help you do those things you never thought you could.